All right, we're gonna do another potato harvest. I'm gonna get my helper this time.
Yeah.
She helped me plant 6 varieties of potatoes a few months ago.
Right here, short time, because I want to help my dad here with potatoes, because I love helping my dad every day.
And I love it when you help me, sweetheart. You're my favorite helper.
And my dad is also my favorite because we are buds.
We are buds.
But we love being together sometimes. But sometimes I go so and he misses me.
I miss you every time I don't see you. Hey, let's talk about potatoes. So right now we're gonna harvest the French fingerling. That's this one.
Yeah,
And we still have these big, beautiful ones for future harvest. Georgie, you want to come here and help?
yeah.
Do you want?
I know the perfect place over here.
First, we're gonna cut off all the vines, all the plants,
Why?
because we don't eat the top green part. Another helper. Let's make sure we compost all the. That's our composter. All right, we just dumped it out. Saw a whole bunch when I was dumping. Where'd they all go?
We don't know where we are.
There's our potatoes. Look at all our potatoes.
Wow.
Pick them out and put them back into this bag.
Okay.
Wow, look at all of them.
You would like some our potatoes.
They are potatoes. Can you show me in the camera? What'd you get?
Potato.
Potato. Are you gonna help me eat these?
Yeah.
Mm.
And
All right, let's keep picking all of them.
we're going to wash them off.
Yeah, we'll wash them off. That's a pretty one. Oh, maybe that's the seed potato.
I got one.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna turn.
7, 8.
No, just count them. Start over. How many potatoes did we pick? How about just a whole bunch?
Okay,
That's how many? So many. Was it fun?
yeah.
It was kind of cool to pick all those potatoes, huh? Are you gonna help me eat them for St. Patrick's Day?
Yeah.
Are you gonna help me cook them too?
Yeah.
Yummy.
I didn't know what he packed this day.
St. Patrick's Day, it's in a couple days. We're gonna eat corned beef and cabbage and potatoes.
Wow, yo!
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thanks for helping, sweetie pie.